Do you know what causes the failure of the diesel generator set? In order to maintain the diesel generator set correctly, it is necessary for the user to understand the fault causes that may damage the genset. Overheating is one of the most common diagnoses for generator maintenance. Overheating can be caused by various reasons, including generator overload, overspeed, winding, insulation breakdown, and insufficient bearing oil lubrication. Fault current is any unintentional high current in the electrical system. They are usually caused by low impedance short circuits. When the generator is not used for a long time, due to aging or incorrect connection of the excitation winding, residual magnetic loss may occur. When this residual magnetism disappears, the alternator will not generate any electricity during startup.